I love it here. Yeah, it's a second home. It feels like home here. I look forward to coming every season. It's always kind of sad leaving every season. It is awesome. Like, I feel so lucky to have been here for so long, and I know Greg feels the same. And we're lucky to raise our kids here because I don't think there's a much better spot. Yeah, it's been awesome, and school's great, and hockey practice is great. Whoa! Ouch! No injuries before the game. Jesus. Oh no!
How would that be if I had to call Brynäs like, sorry, it's a lower body injury in August.
No minitiger today.
Yes.
What? You don't want to be a minitiger?
Yeah.
You do want to be a minitiger, don't you? What's your job gonna be?
Yeah.
Do you remember? You're gonna
skating around.
You're gonna skate around and then
Give the puck to the left.
yes, and then
Do
knuckles. We have hockey everything. Yeah, August like lives and breathes this. We didn't even push it on him. He just loves it.
Besides your dad, do you have like a favorite player?
Oh,
Who's your favorite player?
Who's your favorite player on Brynäs?
Anton and Bella.
Anton and Vera, really?
Those are pretty cool dudes.
Yeah, those are cool dudes.
So what do you like about Brynäs? What do you like about going to games? What's the fun part of it?
Seeing everybody score and win.
Seeing everybody score and win.
When you grow up, what do you want to do? What do you want to be?
A hockey player.
Just like Daddy?
Yes.
What team?
Brynäs.
Brynäs. Wow.
What do you know?
Oh yeah, how's your skating
How's
off?
your skating? Is it better than mine, probably?
It's a lot better than mine,
isn't
it? But now he just started skating with
Skates.
yes, and two feet.
2 feet.
Yeah, because for a while he was kind of just one leg, but now he's using both. Yeah, that's been like a couple weeks, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's been awesome. Lots of practice. He practices outside with Dad too. Hockey school at Brynäs. Yes. Yeah, so every Sunday. He can go Saturday or Sundays, but Sundays is fun because Dad's there and Mom doesn't have to put on his equipment.
Oh, okay, cool.
Yep. Do you like it when Dad goes there?
Yeah.
Yeah, is it fun?
Yeah.
And you have friends on the team?
Yeah.
You come up to the rink sometime and skate with Dad as well?
Yeah.
Yeah, you got to go there the other day, and who was on the ice with you?
Who was on?
Do you remember?
Who?
The day that you went with Daddy on the ice at the rink? Who was there? Dad?
Dad. Me.
You? Who else?
That's a super duo.
Yeah. Who else was out there?
The new guy.
The new guy. Do you remember his name? Number
11.
11. Kevin Roy. And
Also Canadian, just like you.
yeah, and he speaks French, like Ramama. And then...
French?
Could you speak French? Un petit peu?
Un petit peu?
Oui.
Je m'appelle Karine.
Oh, elle parle bien français.
Tu t'appelles comment?
What's her name?
August.
I knew that, so it's super question.
Yeah.
My name is Palle, and I'm going to help you all the time.
Awesome.
So you know what to do. Yeah.
Bro.
So this is only fun, you know.
Yeah, it's going to be so fun. We're excited.
Do you understand?
He does. He understands.
Du förstår svenska. Ja, men vad kanon!
Yeah.
Då behöver inte jag sitta och krångla till det här. Det bästa med hockeyn är att spela matcher och framförallt att göra snygga mål. August dröm är att bli centerforward i Brynäs och bli lika bra som sin pappa Greg.
And that's the only part I have problems with is just...
Första säsongen i Linköping. Han går på Brynäs förskola och där gäller han läsa böcker, rita och spela hockey när man lever ute på rasterna. Det bästa med hockeyn är att spela matcher och framförallt att göra snygga mål. August älskar verkligen att göra mål. August drömde att bli centerforward i Brynäs och bli lika bra som pappa, Greg Scott. Där ska han vinna SM-guld och få sitt... I forwardslinjen nummer 18, Anton Rödin. Nummer 41, Greg Scott. Och i centerpositionen nummer 2 för dig. För din ringning eller brandtätning, ja då är Iman rätt val för dig.
Grabbar!